I'm also Chatha now. So
Congratulations.
yeah, congratulations to me. We have bought another property in Dubai. चला चला के आप सबको बोलती हूँ इन्वेस्ट इन टाउन हाउसेज. पहले हम इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में समझ लेते हैं कि ये प्रोजेक्ट है क्या है.
Sheba, Nadal Sheba Gardens is a community by Miras. This is the entrance of the community. ये entrance है.
बिजनेस पे डाउनटाउन से अराउंड 10 मिनट्स की ड्राइव है. अभी तो कम्युनिटी का टूर भी देना है. जितना हम दे पाए कम्युनिटी का टूर उतना ही देंगे. Everyone, Sat Shri Akal ji and welcome back to our channel once again. My name is Manpreet Kaur and my husband name is Jay Singh Chatha. I'm also Chatha now. So
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations to me. So guys, आज हमारे लिए बहुत ही खुशी की बात है because we have bought another property in Dubai, a townhouse, 3-bedroom townhouse in Nadal Sheba Garden by Miras. मिराज दुबई की एक गवर्नमेंट एंटिटी है. बहुत बड़ा डेवलपर है एंड लग्जरी सेगमेंट के टाउन हाउसेज एंड विलास बनाते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ द कम्युनिटी. राइट नाउ हम लोग नादल शिवा गार्डन की मेन एंट्रेंस पे है. कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है यहाँ पे अभी. इट्स नॉट हैंडेड ओवर येट. हमें प्रॉपर्टी हैंड ओवर हो रही है दिसंबर में. वैसे तो नवंबर में होनी थी, नहीं अक्टूबर में होनी थी इसी महीने. बट नाउ इट्स गेटिंग हैंडेड ओवर इन दिसंबर. 3 महीने का डिले है बट इट्स ओके. वी गॉट अ वेरी वेरी गुड डील एंड यू वॉन्ट बिलीव द काइंड ऑफ जे बताएंगे आपको. हमें इतनी फैंटास्टिक डील मिली है ना. आई वॉन्ट से डिस्ट्रेस डील बट दर इज लॉट ऑफ पोटेंशियल. दैट्स वाई मैं हमेशा चला चला के आप सबको बोलती हूँ इन्वेस्ट इन टाउन हाउसेज. इफ़ यू हैव अ बजट मोर देन लेट्स से $1 million US डॉलर तो सिर्फ टाउन हाउसेज एंड विलाज में इन्वेस्ट करें. आई यूजुअली इन्वेस्ट my money, we usually invest in townhouses. Yes, we do have apartments for rental purpose, for rental ROI, but जब capital appreciation की बात आती है, so we only invest in townhouses. This property we just bought and guess what? 1 महीने हुआ buy करके and guess what?
1 महीना थोड़ी हुआ. 23rd को किया है. 23rd September.
So it's only 10 days.
20 days.
हाँ 20 days हुए हैं हमें प्रॉपर्टी बाय करके. We are already making I think 200 to 300,000 dirham.
Yeah, easily.
तो appreciation कितना बनेगा?
So I'll give you the details of the deal. Yeah.
Okay guys, मेरा भाषण ख़त्म करती हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. अभी हम ज्ञान लेते हैं मेरे पति देव से. उसके बाद फिर मैं आपको पूरी कम्युनिटी का टूर देते हैं. पहले हम इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में समझ लेते हैं कि ये प्रोजेक्ट है क्या है, सो दैट यू गैस कैन गेट एजुकेटेड एज वेल कि वाई वी इन्वेस्ट इन टाउन हाउसेज एंड वाई यू शुड इन्वेस्ट इन टाउन हाउसेज. तो मैं माइक मेरे पति जी को देती हूँ. ओके जी, माइक हमारे पास एक ही है.
Okay guys, so let me tell you about this deal that we did in Nadal Sheba Gardens. Pehle to I'll give you an introduction about Nadal Sheba. Nadal Sheba Gardens is a community by Miras, like Manpreet said. Miras is a government owned developer. They have done many cool projects, mostly in the luxury segment, like Blue Waters Island, City Walk, Jumeirah Bay Island, and a few others. I don't want to go on to the list, but they only focus on very high-end developments. So ye jo community hai, this is also going to be a very high-end townhouse and villa community. It's located in Nadal Sheba. Nadal Sheba is an area which is considered to be very let's say royal because ede aale dwale there's a lot of palaces owned by the royal family. Especially, I mean, the biggest one obviously is the Prince of Dubai. He has a palace nearby, maybe 5 minutes away. This location is connected to the city by Maidan Road and Nadal Sheba Road. Nadal Sheba Road goes to Maidan Road, which goes to Business Bay and Al Khail Road. So it's very well connected. On the other side, we have Al Ain Highway, Al Ain Road, which is Al Ain Road, sorry, not a highway. Al Ain Road, which is a highway connecting Dubai to Al Ain. So it's very well connected, very close to the city center and prime areas. And here we are actually in Nadal Sheba Phase 2. Nadal Sheba Gardens Phase 2. Nadal Shiba Gardens has about 10 phases. So 10 phases have been launched so far. There's still some units, I think, left, only villas, big villas. But if you talk about the price per square foot in this area, you're looking at a very good deal, I would say. Because most high-end communities are going above 3,000 per square foot. Here, for example, the unit we got over for about 1,700 dirhams per square foot. So the unit we bought is a 3-bedroom townhouse, G+1, with a built-up area of 2,674 square feet and a plot area of about 2,000 square feet. So it's a very spacious 3-bedroom. And most of the townhouses in this community are 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, and 3-bedroom townhouses. So you'll have G+1 and G+3 townhouses. These are what was I saying? 3-bedroom. Then you have 4-bedroom villas and 5-bedroom villas and 6-bedroom. And I think in the new phases there are bigger ones as well, mansions. So it's a very nice community, very well done. Obviously, Miraz की ये सबसे पहली villa community है. Before they have launched a townhouse community, but it wasn't as great as it should have been, I think. So this is where they will make their mark in the villa townhouse community. So what we did is we bought this townhouse recently for 4.6 million dirhams. 4.6 million dirhams.
US डॉलर से कितना बनता है?
Roughly 1.25 million dollars, US dollars. And how we did the deal is we have bought it in the resale market. So we actually bought it from somebody who had bought this unit when the project was launched 3 years ago. So they bought this unit for 3.3 million dirhams. And they sold it now for 4.6 million dirhams. But their investment was only 50%. So 1.6 million dirhams was their investment, and they sold it for 4.6, meaning they made a profit of 1.3 million minus the DLD charges. So 1.3 million on top of 1.6 is 80%, more than 80% return on investment for this seller.
Yep.
And for us, because we bought it before the handover, we expect the price to go to 5.3, 5.4 million. So we have invested into this property cash about 3.3 million. So if we sell for that 5.3, 5.4 million and we make 800,000, we will be making roughly 30%.
In 3-4 months.
In 3-4 months. Maybe in January or February we will sell. So it'll be a little bit, yeah, 5, let's say 5 months.
Yeah.
So we are making money based on that. The seller who bought this, who we bought it from, he also made very good money. He made 80% in 3 years. So he made roughly 25-27% per year, which is really good too, right?
Exactly.
So yeah, that's the breakdown of the investment. So amenities की बात करें तो इस phase में they're in this entire community, ये 10 phases हैं community के. This is a sub community. Every sub community will have its own clubhouse, so with a pool, swimming pool, and there will be a park behind it, connecting it. And also this phase is special because it will have the Nadal Shiba Gardens Mall. So you can see in the distance, ये जो building है ना आगे जाके, this is actually going to be the mall for the entire community. तो ये इस community के साथ ही खुलेगा. In January, this will be opened. Sure. So if we go a little bit closer, you can see this is the entrance of the community. ये entrance है और right side पे you will be able to enter the community, and if you go straight, you will enter Nadal Shiba Gardens Mall. तो इधर Waitrose आएगा. That's been confirmed as the supermarket, or supermarket, and then they will have shops, 10-15 shops. It's not a huge mall, but it's enough to service this entire community. They will have a pharmacy, salon, etc., right? And it's going to be high-end brands only, nothing under the values.
Okay guys, back to Hindi. आपने अंग्रेजी में ज्ञान ले लिया, अब मैं हिंदी में ज्ञान देती हूँ. So this is special for us क्योंकि this is very close to our office, by the way. Business Bay downtown से around 10 minutes की drive है अगर ट्रैफिक नहीं है. अगर ट्रैफिक आवर्स से निकलोगे तो कहीं पे भी आधा घंटा लग जाता है. बट एट द मोमेंट करंटली हम लोग इसी एरिया में रह रहे हैं, मैदान में. एंड मैदान एरिया is right behind Business Bay and downtown, and it's known as a royal land, right? जैसे कि जे ने पहले बताया, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पैलेसेस है, शेख जो यहाँ का किंग है उसी का लैंड है ये बेसिकली. So we currently live in Maidan in another community. However, this could be our new home. I mean, like we bought this property as an investment property, but अब मेरी community में, क्योंकि इससे पहले जब मैं आई थी, जब हमने बाय किया था तब मैं आई थी तो यहाँ पे बहुत कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही थी, तो आइडिया नहीं लग रहा था कि शेप कैसे हो रही है कम्युनिटी. बट आज हम लोग आए हैं, इट लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल. आई मीन लाइक कैमरा इस वक्त जस्टिफाई नहीं कर रहा है कितनी अच्छी लग रही है ये कम्युनिटी. अगर हम और अंदर जाएंगे तो और भी अच्छा बनाया हुआ है इन्होंने, बट वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो क्योंकि कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट है. और दुबई में ऐसा है कि जब तक हैंड ओवर ना हो, चाबियाँ ना हो आपके पास, यू कांट एंटर द प्रॉपर्टी, राइट. तो हमने अभी क्या करना है, इसके बाद जैसे हमें हैंड ओवर मिलता है, दिसंबर तक वेट करें, जैसे हमें हैंड ओवर मिलेगा इस प्रॉपर्टी का, वी विल गिव यू अ टूर ऑफ अ टाउन हाउस फ्रॉम इनसाइड. और फिर आपको पूरी कम्युनिटी भी दिखाएंगे, पार्क बन रहे हैं यहाँ पे, लॉट ऑफ अदर एमिनिटीज़, सारी एमिनिटीज़ दिखाएंगे, स्विमिंग पूल, सोना, जिम, मॉल जो बन रहा है, कम्युनिटी सेंटर बन रहा है, वो सब दिखाएंगे. सो yes, I mean like we have invested before in townhouses, but this feels special because I don't know why I feel this could be our home, because it's close to our office. And now coming back to you guys, if you want to invest, है ना, I highly recommend, अगर आपका बजट है anywhere between 1 million to 5 million, 1 million to 1.5 million डॉलर का अगर बजट है आपका, तो you should invest in only townhouses and villa, because townhouses and villas are good for capital appreciation. जैसे कि जे ने पहले बताया ही था, जो पहला ओनर था इस प्रॉपर्टी का, he has made almost 80% in 3 years, right? We just bought 20 days ago, and अगर आज हम मार्केट में बेचने जाएंगे, we'll make almost 10% appreciation कमाएंगे, but we don't want to sell right now. We'll see जनवरी तक, next year 2026 जनवरी तक क्या सिचुएशन जाती है. अगर we get a better appreciation, we will sell. Otherwise, I think I want to move into. Baby, can we move into this house? Next year तक मेरे फिर सपने बड़े हो जाएंगे. Then I would want a mansion. है? इमार ओएसिस में mansion चाहिए बेबी मुझे, 25 million का. My baby is agreeing. My husband is agreeing to everything. Anyways, guys, again. जे ने बताया ही आपको कि हमारी प्रॉपर्टी की वैल्यू क्या थी, हमने कितने पे बाय किया. ओल्ड ओनर ने, जो पुराना ओनर था, उसने किस प्राइस पे बाय किया था, हमने किस प्राइस पे बाय किया है, एंड व्हाट एप्रिसिएशन वी आर मेकिंग. सो हाईली रिकमेंड, get in touch with us if you are also thinking about buying a townhouse or villa in Dubai. We got a very good deal, and we'll make sure you also get a very good deal through us. So एक बार मैं जे से भी आपको confirmation दिलवा देती हूँ.
हाँ जी, hi. Yeah. What confirmation?
कि buy करो हमसे.
Okay, guys, look, like Manpreet said, in the market today, there aren't that many opportunities. However, in the townhouse space, there are still opportunities because the ticket size is slightly higher, less competition of buyers, so you will have a good chance of getting a good price. So that's the whole point. And if you want a good price, you know who to contact. Here you go. This woman over here.
The queen of Dubai real estate. So guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. अगर आपका कोई comment हो, कोई राय हो, फ्री की एडवाइस देनी हो, तो you're welcome. हम भी पढ़ के छोड़ देंगे, हमें फ्री की एडवाइस लेना पसंद नहीं है. Anyways, thank you so much. See you around. Bye bye. सॉरी गाइस, अभी तो कम्युनिटी का टूर भी देना है. जितना हम दे पाए कम्युनिटी का टूर उतना ही देंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बैरियर्स लगे हुए हैं. हम अंदर तक नहीं जा सकते, जो हमने टाउन हाउस ख़रीदा है वहाँ तक नहीं जा सकते, बट जहाँ तक हम ड्राइव कर सकते हैं, मैं आपको छोटा सा मिनी टूर दूँगी कम्युनिटी का. हाउएवर, दिसंबर में हमें हैंड ओवर मिल जाएगा, फिर मैं आपको पूरी कम्युनिटी का चप्पा चप्पा दिखाऊंगी. So let's go. Okay guys, I just want to give you guys a quick tour जहाँ तक हम जा सकते हैं कम्युनिटी का. आप देख सकते हो, ये एक्चुअली आउटसाइड डोर है, आउटसाइड डोर नहीं, सॉरी, आउटसाइड, ये क्या है ना, ये आउटसाइड रोड है. तो आप देख सकते हो बाहर से लुक टाउन हाउसेस की. दीज आर टाउन हाउसेस, ये जो आपको दिख रही है 3+ ग्राउंड प्लस 2 फ्लोर है, और ये जो छोटे वाले हैं दीज आर ग्राउंड प्लस 1. तो Jay,
हाँ जी.
would you like to talk more about the community?
I think I explained it. I think I explained it in the last one. What we have here is we have phase 2. This is phase 2, what we can see. Almost completed. And you have, like Manpreet said, G+1 3 bedrooms, G+2 3 bedrooms, and then 4-bedroom villas and 5-bedroom villas. Okay, standalone. So you can see all of them. You can see the different types. And the good thing about this community that I don't think is very common in all villa communities in Dubai is the space. Look at the space between the houses and the townhouses, right? You can see that they have put effort into providing more openness, right? Because most communities have a lot of townhouses stuck together because they're trying to sell, right? They're trying to sell as much as they can, as much space as they can. But this is the first community I've seen where they have kept townhouses far away from each other. So all the clusters there's some space between the clusters, and the quality you can see, amazing quality. Like, this is the first community I've seen where they have such great quality for such a cheap price. If you think about it, there's a lot of value for money here. So that's all I'll say. The amenities are on the other side, in the center of the on the other side of the community. They have a clubhouse, like I said, and a shopping mall. So that's all they have, and they have a park as well, which goes throughout the community. Amazing.
And now we are about to enter this community. ये main entrance है, अभी तक fully done नहीं है, आप देख सकते हो. This is the main entrance, and Nadal Shiba Gardens by Miraz. And these are the villas जो front में है. ये सारे villas है, and townhouses are in the back. And this is the roundabout. सामने जाके आपको community mall मिलेगा. That's community mall. हम वहाँ तक जा नहीं सकते, सिर्फ यहीं तक हम roundabout तक जा सकते हैं. दिसंबर में I'll try my best, जैसे हमें handover मिलता है मैं आपको पूरी community का tour दूंगी. This side पूरी अभी under construction है, and on this side villas are townhouses and villas are ready, and our unit is on this side. So we will get our handover very soon and we'll show you around. And now again नया launch आ रहा है townhouses का, the Mac Islands. If you might be interested in buying a townhouse, you can get in touch with us. The Mac Islands is launching very soon. 4-bedroom townhouse is starting at around 750,000 average, plus and minus 750,000 US dollar, and Indian currency में I think 7 to 8 crore के आसपास. And उसके अलावा Emaar is launching townhouses in the Valley community by Emaar, and Grand Polo, again a luxury segment community in Dubai South, right next to the airport. So we do have good options for townhouses and villas. Get in touch with us if you might be interested in a townhouse or villa. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. See you next time. Till then, Khuda Hafiz. Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ki Fateh. Bye bye.
Bye bye guys. Namaste, Kemcho, whatever. Sayonara.
Sayonara क्या होता है?
Japanese में bye bye.
हैं?
Japanese.
खर्शो खर्शो. अभी अभी रशिया से आए हैं हम, तो हमारी रोशन निकल रही है, रोशन. खर्शो गाइस, खर्शो. दार जवानिया. ओके बाय.